Hello guys and welcome back to Karimi Aviation. So today I'm going to be doing something I've never done on this channel before, which is plane spotting. Where? At King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah. And where am I standing right now? At the beach. And some of you might say, Kareem, there's no planes at the Jeddah beach. Well, if you go to Abhur, which is I think in the north, turns out it is actually in the north. Anyways, let's just get started.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away.
And the best part while plane spotting at this beach is that I found lots of
boats.
Come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. We saw lots of cool planes today, but sadly we haven't had any planes arriving there. So maybe in another day, see you in another video.